WhatsApp now lets you hide your phone number from strangers. WhatsApp is adding usernames so people can start chats without sharing personal phone numbers, giving users more control over their information. First announced in 2024, the feature is now moving toward launch as Meta lets users reserve preferred usernames before a wider rollout later this year, bringing WhatsApp closer to privacy-focused rivals like Signal. For years, WhatsApp accounts and connections have been built around phone numbers, which often link back to someone's broader online identity. With usernames, WhatsApp says in a blog post that it wants a more privacy-conscious system that prevents unsolicited contact and lets people connect without exposing personal details. There's no directory to browse and no suggestions. People will need to know your exact username to contact you for the first time, the company said. Usernames will be the default identity new contacts see when they message a business, join a group, or start a chat, instead of seeing a phone number. A WhatsApp spokesperson told CNET, the feature protects the privacy of your phone number for new contacts, so you'd have to share it manually if you want them to have it. Existing contacts are unaffected, and people who already have each other's numbers will keep chatting as before. Beyond protecting phone numbers, usernames could help people feel safer when dealing with unfamiliar users on WhatsApp. By moving away from phone numbers as the main way to start conversations, WhatsApp may make it harder for unwanted contacts to reach users, mirroring anti-spam privacy features on other secure messaging platforms. Ahead of the full rollout, WhatsApp now lets people reserve a unique username that no other account can claim by going to the You tab, tapping Account, selecting Username, and checking if their desired handle is available. The interface can import the same username you use on Instagram or Facebook, and once you confirm, WhatsApp will hold the reservation and notify you automatically when the feature goes live in the coming months. Once the feature becomes available, WhatsApp users will be able to find each other by searching for a username. The company says accounts may also be found using a combination of username and a numerical key, adding extra uniqueness to distinguish people with similar names.